Let's start with the clouds on the top using the crayons, just putting some irregular black patches in the sky. So this is going to be a cloudy sky. After putting these colors, we're using the fingertips and just mixing up the whole color, the black color within the whole landscape. So this is going to be a monochromatic drawing, so you can see the single color, like variations of the black, and you can see the thickness and the depth of the black colors. Now moving the canvas, and another way I'm putting the colors here. Okay, sometimes you can erase the unnecessary parts with just gone outside directions. So cloudy sky everywhere. Okay, using a pen we're going to draw the urban landscape. So let's see, we're just drawing a horizontal line, two of those connecting, and you can see here the straight line which is vertical, and here inclined two lines. You can see here another inclined lines, you can see here. Okay, and you can see the dots and the vertical lines. So two windows for that structure. And you can see another house which is partially visible in a little far away, and the top of another house, the rooftop. Okay, and drawing the parallel lines, putting the tree lines in the landscapes here. So this is going to be a different types of tree, so some dot like effects you can see here. Okay, in the vertical line I am going to draw, and you can see the window here. Okay, so few tree lines on top of that building, just you can see here partially. So for the pen drawing, the drawing tree is different types of style. Okay, on top of it we're going to put the electric pole, so another vertical line. Okay, and connecting here the same parallel line, again you can see a transformer, and which is just perpendicular pole, another one. And here you can see the second pole, which is little bit smaller because of the perspective, and you can see the horizontal structure here, also another transformer. Okay, so this is going to be the wires. Okay, here let's see, you can see two wires which is just gone in a far away. Okay, so usually the birds that sitting on the the electric lines, and sometimes there are accidents too. So from the top just putting few racks for the uh, sorry, pitched roof houses. So this is going to be the racks, and for the horizontal houses just we're putting different types of racks, which is the horizontal. Okay, so this is going to be the street houses. The window we can put like these types of blocks inside. And the whole part, let's put it like another style of, you can see the cloudy sky. Okay, Now using the pencils, we're just putting the shades, the bottom of the, you can see here, rooftop, just putting some dark shades. Okay, here you can see the shades for the buildings. Okay, here you can see also the shadow fallen on the building here. Okay, and putting the shades for the peach roof houses. Here another peach roof houses you can see. Okay, and this is the another decorations of the shadow. Okay, and this is going to be like much darker. Okay, with the pencil we are just putting the high color shadow. Okay, here also putting horizontal rays of the shadow, high color. Okay, so these are the sides of those peach droop. Okay, all right, so the drawing is almost to an end, and a few details remains for the sketch of these drawings. So putting the details for the rooftop and other parts. Okay, so lots of details we need to do, and you can see there's some graphics to the side of the building. I'm just putting here. Okay, and peach tube houses has a different types of orientation. Okay, and for the the landscapes here and transformer, just let's make it darker. Okay, and the pole, it's one side makes darker, another sides maybe you can see some brighter color. Then after that with the pencil we're just making it completely dark. Okay, so this is making sense for the different variations of the shadow and the depths of color. And for the tree lines here, just we're going to use the variable shadow. Okay, so also using the crayons here. Okay, so it's a mix of the crayons and the color of the pen. Okay, and using the fingertips, just putting the variable shades into a nice wonderful sketch. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.